Hey, nayi indaba iyangena manje head office bathi uSindarela uQueen of London ushadile. Ha, bara sinishade kanjani mara nomthandazo mara ngithi ngiyakucoca ngikufaka endlini uphuma ngefastera mara yini asifethu there's a rule. Abona mina I'm a man of principle, trust me. Nginamaphutha wami ngumuntu ngiphila emhlabeni ne mara when it comes to abantu abashadile it's a no go area unless bengazi, you understand. But usithanda ushadile njengoba ke vele emavidweni nomunye umuntu ayenza indaba ama record into enje wa ungabe conscious ukuthi mawubona ifone uthi stop it. This thing eyam nawe asiyenze siqede la wa ufaka ifone, why ufaka ifone? Mamela bravo motho li chance undlule ku symmetry kasilakho esubheka amathuna angakanani aqwele kanjani ephethu amahomsha sejele amahomsha shonile amahomsha wile amantombazana. Mina ke amantombazana ngeke ngibakhulumela singithekeni mara ngidisappointed. If uyazazi ukuthi ushadile ngcono umdivorce umuntu ungayenzi into efana nale bro. Sekuphume nekhisti bafake ingubo abomama bafaka angazi into zesintu gashiswa gahlashwa imbuzi bese wena yenza kanje gachithwa inyongo. Fuck man. Angosha mina bo part 2 part 3 nje makabona le ishaya enhlizweni bro. Because one thing that I've learned to understand as a young man ephile South Africa olwaye esikontirini ukuthi mamela bro la eSouth Africa mathuba amancane bro mawuphunyukile ibambi iziqine. Yayizwa la ile mara bona kule ngikhuluma noThekeni mara sana sama uyenzi la ile mchithele umuntu wakho mara uzufaka ifone amhloniphi kaMampela vele wena bro kumele ufonele mina ngifonela izinja zami sofuna imali yakho leyokudeposita lo mntwana abayibuyise angithi ufuna ukuba yi-stratmate akabuyele estradini ke abantu abafana abadlale ngayo bamkhahlele ngathi ibhola le-rugby akabuyisa ichweba lakho. Hawu so umkhiphela ikhisti mfana wambiza TV wamdeposita wamsondeza bese ukenzela into ezinje. Abo sister mara niyenzi dading niyenzi dading bafethu yo ngcono ngiyolala iyangigwadisa lento iyangigwadisa lento ngiyolala damn it.
And mina guys I come to the conclusion that on the right day anyone akajelo. Anyone can take your girl. Never underestimate the ability of Majita to take your girl, especially when she goes out to groove. My dog, forget. If your girl is a groovist and when now you taking her serious, my guy, this is a stern warning, forget. Never underestimate any guy to take your girl, because one thing gents will do, they will take your girl and you won't know about it. Perfect example of this trending video, Limpopo boy. It's a perfect example. I've been warning you guys about groove, to say watch out, groove reversible. You drinking alcohol, you know, anything is possible, dog.
Hey, bona lento ehlelele insizwa ngifisela umuntu. Angifisela umuntu. Akekho umuntu engimfisela. Bafowethu nishadile, nesenithathile, nesenidecide ukuthatha nganza kwethu. Edonsa abantu beni nihlale nabo phansi nibabuza umuntu wesilisa buza umuntu wakho wesifazane ukuthi baby yini ushoda ngayo ikuphi la unganelisekile khona ngami. Umuntu wesifazane buza ubhebi wakho ulove wakho uthi love ushoda ngani ikuphi la unganelisekile khona ngami. Futhi ke angigcizelele le wothi mawuthatha umuntu wesifazane ungamthatha ukuthi ume kahle upakile unovi uyabo. Mthathe umuntu wesifazane mfowethu nomathi uneshwapha umthathe umuntu wesifazane but as long umuntu wesifazane ezoba yilento wena oyifunayo mfowethu ayikho into ebalekile mfowethu ukuthi uhlonishwe umfazi wakho. Yabona once wahlonishwa umfazi wakho nangaphandle abantu bazokuhlonipha. Yabona mfowethu abantu abanezithembu kunabantu abanezithembu abala embonini yamateksi banabafazi banezithembu ngendlela abafazi baba bahlonipha ngayo uyikhohlwa baba. Khohlwa baba uwena omele uzenzele ukuthi umuntu wakhe ekuhloniphe mfowethu. Kodwa ngoba manje lento eseniyenza senithatha umfazi ukuthi unama hips unama bracket unefika kanti la akekho. Yabo umthatha umuntu because of ume kahle kanti la akekho la. Yabo akadeli ukudlala yena usafuna ukuyidlalela noqhamukeke usebenza Eskom eTransnet uyiphoyisa uyini umthathe-ke wena nesimo sokuthi ufuna ukuthi umfazi wami ume kahle. Phela mina senathatha abafazi ngibathathele ukuthi bame kahle. Awusambheki ukuthi emqondweni wakho yini akayicabangayo, umqondo wakho ujulile nor usagcela.
So mara guys, this thing guys ikusha bothoko no bulala nnete guys. This thing ikusha bothoko guys. Ele ka bona like ele ka bona account ya Kelvin ya Facebook. Guys, Kelvin banna kore each and ga botsebotse ka re each and every day guys o phela poster matshidiso guys. Ele ka bona ka moka ga lena guys kore ntongwe lengwe guys ke matshidiso ke di ma account ya damane ya Facebook ke matshidiso fela matshidiso ntwa edileng guys. Hai no.
Guys, most of South African men are saying they no longer want to get married after seeing the video that is currently trending, married women versus Limpopo boy. Guys, if people get triggered by that video, guys, probably it has something to do with their past trauma. Guys, being cheated on, it's very painful. You will think I've healed now, I've forgiven my wife, and then you see a video trending on social media, it comes back to you. Now you look at your wife, you'll be like, I wish I had let her go, guys. So it is a lot when it comes to this situation. I still remember, guys, do you still remember on Skim Sam when my piece was cheating on T-Boss? Lot of men, guys, they couldn't watch Skim Sam, especially those guys that their wife or their girlfriend cheated on them, guys. When it comes to women, women do forgive cheating, guys. They just learn to live with it. When it comes to men, it's a different story. Some are saying cheating is no different whether you're a woman, whether you are a man, guys. It is alleged the guy has paid 85,000 rand bride price, and people are saying he could have used that money for something else. So when you look at the guys, it looks like he's still young, and I don't know, he has deactivated his account. There's somebody who's using his name. I thought that's his account. That's not his account, guys. If you go to his account, he was posting his wife every day, advertising his wife, and people are saying, well, this is the reason why she thought she was the prize. You didn't have a life. If you look at their videos, the guy with his wife, he didn't have a life outside his wife. Everything, it was all about his wife. Some people are saying he's a pastor, he doesn't have a problem allowing his wife to do whatever she was doing. Maybe he thought, what, I'm giving my wife a freedom, she's still young, I don't want to have a toxic marriage, guys, controlling my wife. But at the end of the day, you pay 85,000 rand bride price. Come on, lady. I know we can say a lot about men cheating, but let's all be honest. Okay, was wrong, guys. I doubt you will ever find a good guy like this one, because the guys, the men, they don't care, guys. Not sure if the guy is gonna get the divorce or what they're gonna do. Right now he's no longer on social media to explain. So anyway, guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think about it? Say, do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment, say happy Monday. Please take